Hello friends, how are you? I'm here picking up Liam from his Boy Scout meeting. It's Sunday. Justin's watching the Niners game with Jiggaroony. Liam, this is his last meeting with the Boy Scouts building a trebuchet. A trebuchet is like this thing that you can fling something with, and they had that last year. Liam was still in Cub Scouts, but he got to fling a trebuchet at like a Boy Scout event. And now that he's in Boy Scouts, he has to build one too. And so they've been working on it for weeks, like one day a week or something like that. And I came on time, and Liam's like, can you just wait a little longer? We're still spray painting it. And I'm like, take your time. You know, mommy loves to sit in her car. I really do. It's giving very much like pickup line, like school pickup line. And I love to sit in my car during pickup line. Scissors.
Nice. Scissors.
I don't have anything on there. Hello. Liam and I had a little bubble waffle pretzel date. Yeah, one batch is really good. One got a little burnt. You guys, I'm just cooking a random meatball soup with any ingredients I have, right? It's frozen meatballs. Anyways, today is like Day of the Dead for animals, October 27th. I saw it all over social media. I didn't know about it. But tell me why this falls. It has never fallen ever in my life. Like, oh, oh, my heart, it cracked. Look, oh, that makes my heart so sad. I bought it in honor of my kitties, but maybe it's my kitty, Sunrise and Charlie, saying, I'm here with you. I don't know, I just want to think of it that way. Oh, that breaks my heart. I guess, I don't know, like, it was always good here. For the soup, I was going for albondigas, but I really didn't have the ingredients, to be honest. So I was like, girl, just do whatever. So that it has garlic, onions, zucchini, jalapenos from Sharon's Garden. I sliced that up. These are Impossible meat balls. It's always good to have random stuff in your freezer, right? And then carrots that I had for another recipe. And then, girl, what else I got up in here? Oh, some rotini. And then I have some plain rotini for the boys if they don't like the soup. In the air fryer, I also have some chicken for the boys if they don't like the soup, because I've never made this before, so I don't know how they'll react. Oh, and then tomato paste. And then I had some pizza sauce, so I was like, let me add that because the tomato paste wasn't enough. So yeah, that's for dinner. But sometimes the best things you make is just like random stuff that you throw in, right? Hello, my sweet Bob. You're so handsome. Oh, hello, Ollie and Bob. Look at them. Say hi to each other. Say hi. Come on, Ollie. Go say hi to your brother. Hi, Bob. My sweet angel. He's going to do his circle. He has to do his rounds. Hi, sweet angel. How are you? Huh, Bubba? Oh, look. Nice job smelling each other. That's nice and loving. Thank you for being kind, Ollie. Wow. We love to see it. Oh, I love to see them getting along. That's lovely. Because Ollie usually is not close to Bob. He is more hesitant, but Bob's like, I'm here. I'll hang out with you. I can't help it. I just have to hug him like this because he lets me. He will ball up. I love you so much, my ball. My Mr. Bob ball. Ollie's jelly. He's rubbing on my toe, my socks. See that? Rubbing up on my toe. The muffins are ready. Jakey and Justin wanted to eat one. So, yeah, they had some. They're for breakfast tomorrow. So today I tried to film with that overhead, I don't know, tripod for my phone to film my cooking video, but the lighting was different from this camera and my phone. So I'm not going to use most of the overhead footage because it's just yellow tone compared to that, which is bright with the lights. Hello friends, I'm here at the pickup line. I came 5 minutes later because I was working on a baking video. I'm doing a short form video of the Big Fat Chewy chocolate chip cookies because those are still my favorite chocolate chip cookies. And I just have to share it as a reel in a short form video, so that's what I'm doing. I'm excited because tomorrow I'm taking my first course on like how to make better reels and hooks and things like that. It's called Cut 30. Justin enrolled me. Never in my life have I ever invested in myself, like spent money to like learn something on about social media, but it's gonna be my first, so I'm excited. It's always good to like learn. So these are the cookies I made. I made them big. I used an ice cream scooper. Oh, bless you, my love.
Sorry.
Hello, friends. We were playing badminton. Is that how you say it? Our family got really into it, but now I'm going to go cook. But girl, it was cold. It feels colder than 50 degrees, like the breeze. I was supposed to have a dentist appointment, and then they called me last minute. Like literally, I was gonna drive there already, and they were all like, "Can you come at 2 p.m.?" And I'm like, "I'm so sorry, I can't, because that's around the time that I pick up my son from school, and I can't come at 3 because that's around the time that I'm leaving from school." So she was like, "Can we reschedule?" And I was like, "Yeah, I don't mind." She said they're having issues with scheduling a dental hygienist, and I'm like, "That's fine. It's all good." But I think I'm that way because I'm blessed to work from home. Like, what if you took the day off and then, like that would be terrible. Like, you took the day off just to schedule this appointment and then you can't go, But anyways, I'm going to go get my toes done now because I'm not even going to tell you, it's been months since I've gotten my toes done. So long that the nail color is only halfway on because I let it grow that long. Yeah, but let me show you these pants though. Old Navy, y'all. They're so wide leg that you can get your toes done with them. I like them. I think these are my first real wide leg. Old Navy is that girl. Like, I love them. They're comfortable. They're wide. Look, look, look. You could lift it to get your toes done. You see that? Yeah. So yeah, I just thought I'd share. I like these pants. It's raining today, so I'm gonna wear my little trench coat. It's like a lighter, like it's not as heavy as some. And I got this from Banana Republic when it was on sale. Like, this trench coat cost way more than I bought it for. I think it was like 60% off. So here's some good stuff. It looks like this. It's got a thing. I put it through the machine. Can you tell? She's kind of wrinkly. But that's my rainy day outfit. I'm here early at the nail place, but I can wait. I like sitting. You know me. I love to just sit and do nothing sometimes. I think that's why I like the pickup line so much. I just sit there in silence. Hello, I'm back home. I got the same color on my toes as my press-on nails. So that's what I decided to do. And I was so excited to come home because I knew we still had some of this soup. And I love this soup. Actually, it was okay the first day, but like days later, it was good. And so many of you friends have DM'd me. You tried my tortellini soup that I randomly made up, and you guys love it. So that makes me so happy. I'm gonna link the tortellini soup because that made my heart so happy knowing that you liked it. Actually, I don't want more meatball. So we got one more serving. We saved every bit of this soup. So when I got my pedicure, the lady cut my toe on the right big toe. I guess she was just like, I feel like there was an ingrown toe. I know, sorry, TMI on these toe talks. But it felt like there was an ingrown toe, so she tried to cut it a little bit or something. And then it started bleeding and it hurts. And it hurts still. And I remember the last time that happened, I got an infection and then I had to go get antibiotics, and I didn't know I was pregnant, and I took antibiotics, and then later, shortly after that, I ended up getting a miscarriage. I'm not sure if it was the antibiotics. I'm not sure if that was connected, but it was around the same time. So every time someone cuts my toe or cuts me, I don't go back. That's just, I don't know. It's just something that I Because I'm not trying to get cut again, girl. I'm not trying to get infected. Yeah, I don't know why I shared that, but I remember it was around the time I had miscarriage. I never went back to that nail place. I didn't blame the lady. I never said anything because it's like, oh, I got a miscarriage. Like, am I really going to do that to somebody? Heck no. It's not their fault that they cut me, but it's also, like, I also have to let myself know that it wasn't my fault that I didn't know I was pregnant at the time that I got antibiotics. Because I didn't know. We didn't know. We were not planning on it. You know what I mean? Like, we wanted to have more kids, but I wasn't thinking of it. But I remember when I knew I was pregnant, it was not with Jacob. It was with a baby that was not, that I miscarried. But I knew I was pregnant when we were eating out and Justin had a steak sandwich. And I said, is that good? And he's like, yeah. And I was like, can I have a bite? And he looked at me like, what you mean you want a bite? You don't eat meat. And I was like, it looks really good. Can I have a bite? So I took a bite and I'm like, yeah, that's good. He looked at me like, that's weird. Little did we know. And I've never like really craved meat like that. So it makes me think like, was it a girl or was it a boy? Whatever the case, I still think it was a boy. And I really think his name is Owen. Yeah. And yeah, I don't know why. I just really like the name Owen. Jakey and I worked on goodie bags for Jacob's class. I did a shorts on it since you guys want the shorts instead of you going everywhere. So yeah, check it out, my friends. It's not a lot. We don't do too much because there's going to be a bunch of trick-or-treating. But Jacob did want to give a moon ball to his friend, so it's pretty much a moon ball. What else is in there? Oh, moon ball, a pen, goldfish, and a lollipop. Yeah. And that's it. Yeah. Because we're not doing too much. I feel like that's already too much, Jake.
We're gonna get a lot of candy from
Heck yeah, a lot of candy from trick-or-treaters, and that's a lot. Even just a moon ball would have been good. Yeah. Let's see what design they're carving. That's a good one, buddy. Let me see Liam's. Oh, that's a creepy looking one.
Here we go. Ready?
Family costume, but the boys have a separate one that they get to wear, like trick-or-treating, but I really wanted to do like a family photo.
Get it.
Yeah,
I'm the Tin Man.
I know. Look at the details on this. I got the heart,
this
the
is
daisies.
a really good heart.
It actually really is. I was saying, so I'm a lion. I thought I could maybe pass as Chewbacca too, maybe. Oh, I can't do the sound. Sorry, that was bad.
Period.
Yeah.
Hello, friends. We got trick-or-treaters. I had extra goodie bags, so I gave some away. We have one left.
You forgot to give it to them.
No, there was. That was all the kids, the group, and then I had one left. Yeah, but we got our carts.
Wasn't there like a big group of people?
Yeah, and there was one left. That's the thing. We already got so many trick-or-treaters. I even made the bags are gone, completely gone.
Yeah.
But yeah, Oliver's just chilling over here by the couch or the chair, hiding. Look at that face. He's 7 months now. Happy 7 months, sweet boo-boo. Happy 7 months, my little baby. Oh, he likes that. So cute. His face is so freaking cute to me. That's a beautiful, and his little swirly whirly body. His name is Oliver Muffin Swirly Whirly Moore. I bet you didn't know that part. I know it's a long one, but it's beautiful. Hi, Swirly Whirly Moore. Look at their face. They're back.
Two full size, another full size. Two more. Two more size. Full size.
Wow.
Full size.
Oh my gosh.
Man.
Wow.
Two more Pokemon